Hello everyone, welcome back to the videos. It's fantastic to have you here as always, even though you can't see me at the moment. So, I don't know if you can see him there, but I got my dog back. Yeah, you dickhead. So hopefully he's not going to give me too much grief hanging out here in the workshop, but kind of want him to get used to hanging out in here and being around, as long as he doesn't try and steal any more of my rags like he's already been trying to do. But yeah, bit of an update for you guys. I came in here the other day, did a bit of welding, and I got my engine mounts fully welded. I added on some gussets, one there and one in there, and welded them up. This one seems a little bent, but anyway, I'm sure she'll be right. And this one here, another couple gussets in it, and just went around and did all the welding on them, so they're all good to go. I also welded up my pickup tube, so I'll get a new O-ring for it, and it's all good to go. I'm not going to worry about putting any paint on it because I don't want what are you doing, you dickhead? No, you can't even get in that. I don't want any of the paint to come off and go through the oil and stuff. I got to flush it out, get any sort of swarf or anything out of it, and yeah, it brings me to my job today. I don't have a lot of gas left. I'm pretty much about to run out, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to get everything I want to done, but I want to make the ends for this, and then I got to go and finish weld all of these welds and put the bung in as well. So yeah, that's going to be my job for today. I'm going to crack into that soon and get stuck into that, and that'll be it, pretty much ready to go onto the motor then. So then I can go ahead and flip this over, get the pan on it with the pickup, get a flex plate bolted onto it, which I've got to get some bolts for that, and yeah, bolt transmission torque converter to it and plop it in the car, and from there it's pretty straightforward really. So yeah, I'm gonna set you guys up on the trusty. Anyway, I gotta trace them out onto some aluminium, cut them out, and then I'll tack them on, and I've got to cut the drain bung off that old hunk of pan there, so that it can have a drain bung. So I'll get stuck into that.
You were like a ransom note. If I give in, will you come home? I'd put everything I'd had into getting you back. I was only 17, and you were the air I breathed. I walked across a burning bridge for you, for you. Those roads we walked, I'll know forever. Those times we talked, I still remember. Is it not enough that I played with my heart once, twice? If I'm blind to who you are, which of us was behind bars? Will you worth the price I paid? Your ransom. tried to find a way to justify missing the signs I knew. My hands were tied the moment we met, and there was more to you. You were only 17, and I was your sick release, a hostage on a silver plate to you, to you. Those roads we walked, I'll know forever. Those times we talked, I still remember. Is it not enough that I paid with my heart once, twice? If I'm blind to who you are, which of us was behind bars? Is it not enough that I barely got out with my life? I still carry every scar.
Alright, well, that's going to be it for me today, guys. I'm out of gas pretty much, so can't really do any more welding on those until I get some more gas. There's a teeny tiny little bit left in the bottle, but there's probably just like bad mix or something in there, because it's not really welding the best, so I'm going to get myself another bottle. But for the most part it's pretty much ready to go. Got the end plates welded on. I've done a little bit of welding here and there, and I got the bung sort of semi on there. Still got to finish up welding the majority of it. Just quickly threw a bit of black paint on the engine mounts just to try and stop them from corroding, and yeah, nearly ready to get this thing in the engine bay with the transmission and that, and move on to working on some better stuff. Starting to get a bit tired of dealing with these engine mounts and sumps and all this garbage. So yeah, I'm keen to get it in the car and start working on some other bits and pieces. But yeah, I'm going to end it here for this video today, guys. Go ahead, get myself a new bottle of gas. I'll finish welding that up off camera, and then get myself a new O-ring for that pickup tube. Did have O-ring there somewhere, but yeah, get myself a new O-ring for that pickup tube, and in the next video we'll flip this over, I'll bolt the engine mounts on finally, the sump, pickup tube, with some either a fresh gasket or some silicone, and yeah, it will be pretty much good to go in the car. Then I can clean off some of the junk that's been building up on top of it. It's become a bit of a bench. Then yeah, that other block and some heads can go on the engine stand for me to use as mock-up and fab stuff for manifolds. But yeah, anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and are keen to see some more of it. I'm going to try and do a pretty special live stream, not this week but the following week, so keep an eye out for that. I got to get the Commodore either on the hoist or get it up in the air, sort out the VSS in it. The VSS in it isn't working the best. I'm gonna leave it here, guys. Thank you all for watching. Please leave a like, comment down below, share a video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully bolting some stuff on it, but more than likely diagnosing the VSS in this thing, and then bolting that garbage into there. And anyway, thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys then. Bye bye. What's he got? He's got another fucking rag, hasn't he? Yeah, I knew it. Bloody stolen a rag. Okay, get that off him in a minute. Alright, get out of it. Fucking dog. And I got a... What is he doing? This damn dog, I swear. Just wants attention constantly. And then I gotta sort out TPS and stuff. Sounds like he's messing around with something. Oh yeah, I know what he's got. He's got the goddamn transmission lines that were on this beam. Jeez, this dog. Yeah, I caught you. Look at it, would you? I know you probably can't see him. You idiot. And you got me lump of timber. Hey? Yeah, go on.